7,200,000 pesos ay pwede ka na maging owner ng single attached na bahay dito sa Anabu Coastal Road, Imus, Cavite. Located sa isang quiet and peaceful village with 24/7 security at hindi congested and crowded ang community dahil less than 100 units lang ang meron dito. Ready for occupancy na din ang bahay kaya makakalipat ka kaagad lalo na kung nagmamadali ka. Meron itong lot area na 88 square meters tapos yung floor area naman ay 119 square meters. Sa exterior meron siyang porch tapos elevated yung papuntang main door. Maluwag din yung kanyang car garage. May maluwag na living area tapos merong den na may built-in cabinet. May toilet and bath na din dito sa ground floor. Maganda din yung kitchen area niya dahil complete with cabinets na. Merong maid's room dito sa ground floor with its own toilet and bath. Sa second floor merong 2 bedrooms at master's bedroom with its own toilet and bath plus balcony. Sa tapat ng village merong hospital. Sa tabi naman niya ay merong high school. Walking distance lang ang DV Mall at sobrang lapit sa Pure Gold Anabu and Aguinaldo Highway. Baka ito na yung hinahanap mong property kaya naman i-message mo ako sa phone number na nasa screen or mag-message ka via Viber or WhatsApp. Kaya naman with its total contract price of